How to log in into your account on forex.com. Are you guys facing issue to log in into your account on forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. To log in into your forex.com account, go to forex.com website or open the forex.com app on your mobile device. Once you open the website, tap on login button, which is usually located at the top right corner. Just click on login. Once you click on login, enter your registered email address or username. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to enter the security code sent to your phone or app. Once done, tap login or submit. You will be now taken to a trading dashboard where you can view your balance, check your charts, or place your trades. And if you don't know how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna log in into your account on forex.com. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.